Begin by positioning the DarkMatters fixing clips in line with the gaps of your acoustic wall panels. Secure each clip using the supplied screws, ensuring they're evenly spaced to hold the neon in place along the whole 2.4 meter length. Gently press the neon into each fixing clip until it is securely positioned in the clips. The clips are designed for a precise fit. Once fixed, they'll hold the neon securely in place. Alternatively, if the gaps in your slat wall are exactly 13mm, you can securely install the DarkMatters neon without the clips. With the neon now fitted, connect each length to the DarkMatters 1:4 power splitter using the push and play DC connectors. The splitter allows up to 4 neon lengths to be powered from a single supply, keeping your wiring neat and organised behind the wall. Next, connect the splitter to the 3-button dimmer controller, followed by the 24-volt slim power supply. All connections simply push into place. No tools required. Once connected, power on the system using the DarkMatters 3-button dimmer. The soft start feature gently fades the light to full brightness.